Hi AppSec engineers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use challenges on the AppSec Engineer platform. Challenges are hands-on exercises where you're given a security scenario, maybe an insecure script or source code, and you have to identify the vulnerability, figure out how to fix it, and implement the fix so the flaw is completely mitigated. Okay, enough talk. Let me show you this in action with a Python challenge, since those are among the most popular ones on AppSec Engineer. You'll see whatever instructions you need to solve the challenge here. Let's start up the lab instance and click on Access Lab. You'll see that this looks exactly like a regular AppSec Engineer lab. In the challenge instructions, you'll see that this directory has some Python artifacts containing a vulnerability. Here we have a Python source code file called app.py. Now it's up to you to figure out what's wrong with this code. Let's say I don't change anything in the script and try to validate it. I'll open up a new terminal and type ASE challenge in the terminal to run the validation process. As you can see, it checks the app.py file and identifies that the vulnerability still persists. If you try this validation process 3 times and fail, you have the option of going back to the instructions page to view the solution. Obviously, we recommend this only as a last resort. Now, I'm not gonna spoil this challenge for you, so let's fast forward this a bit. Now I've fixed the insecure code in app.py, so if I've done everything right, there you go, the validation was successful. But for the challenge to be marked as completed, you need to copy this unique challenge completion code and go back to the lab instructions page. Paste it in this box here. And congratulations! You finished your very first AppSec Engineer challenge. The best part? There's hundreds of challenges for you to solve on AppSec Engineer, and many more being added every month. So try out our challenges in secure coding, cloud security, containers and Kubernetes, and more. Keep on learning!